Would you know how you can take this photo? Today in this video, I'm gonna tell you how you can do this. Stay with me. Hey, this is Merhil from Filmcar. I'm here to show you how you can take this photo. I'm gonna tell you what you need to do this job. At first, you need a camera, a mirrorless camera, a DSLR camera, or maybe a compact camera. Doesn't matter which type of camera you wanna use, but your camera should have this function to change your exposure index, such as shutter speed, such as aperture, sensitivity, ISO, just this. After that, you need a light. Doesn't matter a continuous light or a flash. I've used the Godox E215 as you see. But if you don't have a flash or a continuous light, don't worry at all. I'm gonna tell you what should you do to fix it. I use the FE Sony lens 2870 and a tripod. I have a tripod, but I'm using it now. I couldn't show you. If you have all these, everything well. Let's do this. All right, now first stage, you have to choose your background. You have to choose your scene. You can choose a part of your dining room or a part of your kitchen, doesn't matter. Make it ready for shooting. After that, second stage, you have to fix your camera position. You have to choose your ratio, you have to fix your frame, but be careful, your camera position couldn't change because actually just a little movement in your camera position like this or something like that becomes a huge problem in your perspective, becomes a huge problem in your photos. Be careful. And after that, third stage, you have to set your light, and choose your own lighting, doesn't matter. But in this stage, like your camera position, you couldn't change your light position. If you want to have a clear photo, if you want to have a high quality, be careful, pay attention. And finally, if you are ready, I'm also ready. Let's go for shooting. So as you can see in my photo, we have a single shot, but I should mention that this photo includes 10 single photo. Okay? I create this picture with 10 single and different photo. How? I'm gonna say you. So as I said, we have 10 photos. In first shot, I've taken a photo from just background without any objects. Okay, we have a blur background. You can see it. I guess blur background is better. You can choose your own DOP or depth of field, or you can choose your focusing area. It's yours. But I think blur background is better for these photos. After that, in second photo, we have just a single cup in this position. Okay, you can see it. So in the third one, we have that cup with a frozen coffee. It's coffee with a frozen coffee with this position. Okay, as you can see. So how I take it, or how I freeze the coffee. If you are using flashlight, you have to know your sync speed in your camera. For example, in my camera, Sony Alpha 7 III, the sync speed is, let me think, I forgot it. Yeah, it's 1.250. Okay, I have to use the speeds less than this speed. Okay, I have to use a number less than this 1.250. And you also should pay attention. And if you do this, everything will be okay. But as I said, if you don't have any flashlights, you have to, or it should be better that I said, you must use your fastest speed in your camera, such as maybe 2000 or more than 2000. Yeah, because you should fix it. You should freeze the coffee without any blur, and you must use these speeds. I know it's difficult to measure the light to for your expos, but anyways, you have no way. You should use a speed more than 2000. Okay, in the next photo, you have this position. Okay, to the up. And after that, I use this. You can also something like this. And put it up. And yeah, I mean, turn it up. Okay. And you can, as you can see in picture, you can see its effect. Okay. So after that, we have Oreos in some different positions. As you can see, I've eaten all of them. We don't have any Oreo now here. But anyways, I taken them in a single photos, each of them. I'm gonna show you now. Yeah, you can see. Just change the positions of them. I actually rotate them, something like this. So at the last photo, you can see that I throw them up, and you can see them now. Yes, justice. Okay, now we have 10 photos. Okay, we have 10 single photos with some different functions. Now we have to merge them together to create just one photo, as you saw. And how we should do this, I'm gonna tell you. You have to use Adobe Photoshop, and let's go for it. I'm gonna show you how you can use it. So this is Adobe Photoshop 2021. The background photo was the first photo that I've imported in Photoshop. So if you look it carefully, you can find some differences between original photo and background in Adobe Photoshop. There's some yellow cast on our layer that I changed it from camera raw filter in this section. As you see, you can arrange the Kelvin, you can change the temperature. So just this. After that, you have to import the second photo, I mean the cups photo, as you see. So after that, you should select it via your selection tools. And as you see, I did it. So let me show you the original one. Yes, it's original. You should remove its background. After that, you can change its position in its scale or its position in your picture. Now you see the pieces that I throw them up, and here also you have to select them. After that, you have to remove background. Let me show you the original one. Okay, you can see it. Wait a minute, I'm sorry. Yeah, you can see it. Anyways, after this stage, the up layer is Oreo, is one of the Oreo that I put it here. Let me select it. Let me show you the original photo that I removed its background. Wait just a second. Where were you? Okay. Let me, yes. So you can see. So up layer is drops. Like always, you have to select it, remove its background. Let me show you the selection. So let me show you how was it. Yes. Yes. You can see the differences clearly. So now you see I've added this part. And be careful about the arrangement of layers. Look at this. Look at the differences. You should pay attention it. It's so important actually. Now another one. Look at here. As you see, I put it between drops and frozen coffee. Look it carefully. What's going on here? So you can feel the distances. It has shown us the depth. You can feel also something like perspective. And by the way, it becomes more real. So in the following, like always, I added another pieces. And finally, I used selective color from adjustment section. You can also use it if you wish. It's yours. You can change your color tone and just it. All right, our video is almost over. Like always, hope you enjoyed our video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like it. By the way, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you so much. Until next, goodbye and take care.